Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to buy the MB-400 exam at dumpsquestions.com. Just go to dumpsquestions.com and type the MB-400 exam in the search bar. The search results will show you what you need. Just click on the relevant exam and you will be brought to the exam page. Here you can download the demo or buy the complete dumps file. Let me show you the demo file. It is often confused that a person who has more questions is more authentic, while it is wrong, as the specific person will have added old questions. We have latest and original dumps only. And if you want to buy the complete dumps file, then click on the Add to Cart button. You will be brought to the payment page. Just enter your details and email. Don't worry, we won't share it with anybody. Another great news is that we have launched a 25% discount offer just for you. To avail it, you just have to type EXTRA25 in the promo code area. When you will have paid through PayPal, your dumps file will be given to you. To possess it, you will have to go to the home page and a dashboard will be created for you from the same email you entered on the payment page. When you will go to the Order History tab, there will be the dumps file you bought. You can even download and print it. So no more hesitation while buying at dumpsquestions.com.